I'm still working out the kinks on this thing. Y'all let me know if y'all can hear me. Give me 1 second here. All right. What's going on, family? How y'all doing today? Let me know if y'all can hear me good. Yeah. Audio seemed to be working. All right. So greetings, family. Thank you for coming to the channel today. Pardon me while I'm trying to get my setup together. You know, everything seems like it be working for you go live and everything. You know, but if it's your first time here, you know, I'm talking about business credit, making money online, generation of wealth. I think we got an insightful video today. I'm just going to be going over a few places you can go. You know what I'm saying? Y'all trying to know where the money at. I'm going to go over a couple things I talked before, but I definitely got some things I haven't brought to y'all attention. So I'm excited. I'm excited about that. All right, Aaron, say you can hear me loud and clear. All right. Cool. Yeah, like I said, once again, pardon me trying to get this little setup together, man, and whatnot. But yeah, I'm excited about that. I hope everybody is doing well. I hope everybody is doing great, rather that. All right, so we are going to be talking about a couple of fintechs. We're going to be talking about that. A couple I touched on before, but just to get it in your ear so you can keep hearing it over and over again. Financial technologies, that is the wave that we're on. So that traditional banking and what you're used to when it comes to credit and banks, you know, we really progressing and been progressing into something different. And that's going to go the same thing when I'm talking about business credit and even talking about this cryptocurrency space. So all this stuff for me is really tied into one another. All right. So with that being said, you know what? I'll give people a few more minutes to get in here because I ain't announced that I was going live or nothing like that. You know what I mean? But yeah, man. If y'all in here, let me know y'all in here. You know, first and foremost. And I appreciate everybody, you know, before we even get started, just acknowledging that, you know, I hit a little baby milestone this month and hit 10K. So for the month, I'm doing $49.97 for the business credit course, which I'm going to be updating soon. I got a few, believe it or not, no PG business credit things I want to add to that course. And actually start building with y'all in that Facebook group pretty soon. You know, so we gonna get that rolling, and you know, we'll touch on one of them today here, and yeah. So you already know the business, man. Share, like, subscribe, all of the above. Okay. Since I know it's a little late in this thing, you know what I mean. I'm just going ahead and get started. All right. So let's see if we get this thing. All right, boom. All right, cool. So now, what I got over here is this is Divvy. All right. Some of you may have heard it. Some of you may have not have heard of it before. And what Divvy is actually a place where you can come get you some business credit. All right, and you can get you some no BG business credit, corporate credit. You see the MasterCard logo there. One thing I want y'all to be familiar with when it comes to getting business credit and credit with these different places, a lot of times you have to have something to leverage if you're a brand new business. So, you know, if you're not going to be PGing and they not going to, you know, it's going to be no PG, they got to have something to say, hey, do you got money? Is your business making money? All right. So it's very important to be running funds through your bank accounts as well as, you know, running it through your merchants too. You know, merchants including Stripe, including PayPal, because you could potentially get funding from, you know, 2 or 3 of those places if you're running funds from your Stripe and then from your Stripe, they're gonna go into your bank account. So places like this, they're gonna be looking at things like that. But if it's something you want to check out, definitely check out. I believe that have a couple alternative means as far as getting started is fairly simple. And they've been doing their thing in this space. All right. So there's a place that you can go check out if you want to see if you can get qualified or pre-approved for no PG business credit. All right. So then that's on the business side. You know what I'm saying? So as far as like I said, the y'all that's in the group and in the course, I'm gonna give y'all several more and kind of breaking down the terms that these places want and stuff like that. All right. Now here's something on the personal side I talk about, and the reason I bring it up because it's something fairly simple and it could get people going. It might help you, it might help you get going with something. And, using other people's money to make money, using credit to make money is really the wave. It's been the wave because if you use it on things, you know what I'm saying, you pay your bills and stuff like that, then you really don't have any way to keep recycling that money. So, easy to get caught about here in the system. But this is a fintech or financial technology called Grain. It's you're able to access this from your cell phone or your iPad. These are only with Apple devices, as you can see. That is pretty much saying join the Android wait list. But if you don't have an iPhone or iPad, you know somebody with one. All right. So, go ahead and holler at them. Just, pretty much it's with Plaid or Played when you sign in. If you notice when you're applying at a lot of these places that are doing no PG, just like this one, they're going to be looking at your banking information to see if you circulate money in there. And depending on how much money you circulating in there, money coming in, going out, you get a few $100s, $1,000. It all depends if you get approved. And you can see there, those are some of the banks that you actually use while you're actually, using that app. All right. So it doesn't do all banks, but it's most popular banks. They even got Chime in there. If you didn't know, Chime is a good place. If it's hard for you to get a bank account, man, check Chime out. You get a couple $100s. I think even when you get direct deposit after signing up for stuff, stuff like that. So Grain is a good one to get a couple $100s in your pocket to get something going. There's a lot of business ventures, opportunities, clubs, the type of stuff you can do to use $400-500 to get you started as far as making some money out here. All right. The next fintech I want to talk about that doesn't even you can get qualified for without actually having a hard pull in your credit is the Tumo or Tomo card, tomorrow's credit card. Pretty much one thing, I think I talked about this before, but I didn't mention, this is more or less is going to be like a charge card. You know what I'm saying? So you're able to get approved up to $10,000 with no credit check. Okay. And yes, you know what I'm saying, they making it to where you need to pay back, I believe, weekly or something like that, and pay off your balance, if not weekly, monthly. But that's what we're supposed to be doing anyway. But once again, it's going to report to the credit bureaus and everything. So when you can help you build your credit as well as get credit without having decent credit, you know what I mean? It depending on your actual, once again, your bank and everything like that. So similar to Grain, but this one you have the ability to get a little bit more. All right. So I'm gonna move on to the next thing I want to talk about. That I've talked about this before. But after this one, you know what I mean, I'm gonna use this as the bridge for the other ones. All right. So I use crypto.com very often when it comes to, it's like a crypto wallet. OK, you can kind of see here on this screen. It shows you Bitcoin, Ethereum, True USD, the CRO, the crypto coin, the Binance coin, several different things. OK, as well. So notice on here, when it says available for card, that you can actually transfer your certain coins in and load them onto the Visa card that it gives you. So not only can you just use this as a wallet for your cryptocurrencies, you can actually get a Visa card for it as well. And so what's cool about having the crypto.com wallet, say you got people that you're trying to send Bitcoin and stuff to, well, you can pretty much do like a quick link, if two of you had an account, and send it peer to peer, for more seamless transitions for sending. Okay, but it's the same way. You have a wallet address, you can send it that way as well. So I've compared some of these card tiers already. Like I said, you can get you a free card and just get acclimated with it. This is accepted anywhere Visa is accepted. Pretty easy to set up. If y'all have any questions about this, I can go make another video and more details about some of the stuff. The interesting thing about this card, as well as some other places, is that you can stake and make money. So what is staking? So staking is when you actually have a cryptocurrency and you actually put it in a wallet, or more or less, look at it like a CD account or something like that. All right. So when you're actually staking, you're going to be making money, interest off of the money that you put in. So you might have to hold it for 3 months. You might have to hold it for 6 months. You might have to hold it for something else, 12 months or whatever, and then boom, you make an interest back. So it's pretty much like if you put money in a savings account, a CD account or something like that, and you just making money off of it. So a lot of people make money off of staking. They just putting they money on reserves. So if you actually end up staking, I think I'm not gonna check it right now, but I think CRO is probably about 5 cents or 6 cents or something like that. So depending on how much you actually stake and get the metal Visa cards, you can actually get these benefits with some of the cards. I just have this tier right here where I'm getting the 2% back on every time I spend in CRO, and I'm actually getting free Spotify. If you move up, you can get free Netflix. Move up, you get free Prime, discount on Expedia, and you even have Airbnb discounts. You got a private jet partnership, but that's when you work your way up to the big boys there. All right. Now, something that excited me when I was looking at this stuff is I seen this, and I said, man, this is crazy. So it says deposit credit and get an instant loan. I do want to make note of, it says not yet available in the United States, but that's okay. All right, that's okay. All right. Y'all give me, okay, pardon me about to say my computer acting funny. All right, so right here, you says get the credit limit you want, not what you're given. So what does this mean? Deposit 10,000, receive credit of 5,000. So what this is actually saying is if you have $10,000 worth of CRO, Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, LTC, any of these, you can receive up to $5,000 credit on these coins. And the reason you may see some of these coins, the USD, the USDC, the USDT, all right, a lot of these coins are stable coins, and what stable coins are, those coins don't fluctuate in value because they're tied to something. The USDC is tied to the Federal Reserve, and so on and so forth. So when you get into stable coins that actually tied into other coins, the price is not as volatile and doesn't fluctuate. All right, so pretty much USD, the tether is like $1 equals $1 as we're used to right now. All right, whereas some of these other cryptos may fluctuate in as far as like in price to the dollar. All right, so very interesting. So even though it's not here, if you're in maybe if you're in Canada or you somewhere else, man, try this out. So when I found out about this, I said, man, there got to be more places doing this type of stuff here. So something that you may or may not have heard about is BlockFi. And if you have not heard of it, after you see this, take the time to go do your due diligence with BlockFi. They on the up and up right now. All right. So some things that you can see that they do is you can have a BlockFi interest account. All right. So what is this? No hidden fees, an annual return of up to 8.6% starts accruing immediately, plus compounding interest every month. So that means, once again, when it comes to this realm of crypto and things like that, very interesting. You know what I mean? I actually, matter of fact, let me see. I go over this stuff before I go over. Matter of fact, it's right up under here, so that's cool. Oh, cool. Getting ahead of myself here. All right, so crypto loan, borrow and hold. You don't need to sell your crypto assets just to access cash. BlockFi lets you borrow USD to meet your needs, whether that's buying a home or acquiring more crypto. So check this out. You know what I'm saying? So one, you can get a BlockFi interest account. You could do that. Trade cryptocurrency, get you a trading account. Yeah, that that though all those things are good. But this right here means if you have cryptocurrency, but you ain't got what you're used to, right? The fiat, the Federal Reserve notes, the USD, that's what you're used to. Well, here's a platform that you can come to, all right, and actually once again leverage your cryptocurrency that you have and get credit. All right. So this is where this stuff is going to, right? I just told you cryptocurrency Visa cards, and here's another, not just a Visa card. This is a credit card that they're going to be offering soon. All right. So, and their credit card earn 1.5% back in Bitcoin on every purchase. So now they changing the game now. All right. So, just like I showed you on my crypto.com card, I get CRO back, which when you got crypto, you can transfer crypto to other crypto. So getting 2% crypto back, that's dope. And getting actual Bitcoin back is dope too. So this is something that is very, very it's gonna be essential to what we got going on. So y'all, if y'all get in on that waiting list if you choose to do so, or just come over and check it out. You know what I mean? And if you're interested, what I'm saying, as I did not say in this video, I'm not a financial advisor, attorney, anything like that, so I can't tell you what to do. I'm just showing you this information, and if you want to go do your own due diligence and research, then go do that. All right. Opening a account is simple and quick. Sign up for account, fund your account with USD, crypto, or stable coins. All right. Start earning interest. So this is a place where you can put your monies and earn some interest on it. All right. And get on that waiting list for the the credit card, for the BlockFi card. All right. And here's another place right here that I came across. All right. Celsius, the modern way to manage assets. All right. Earn rewards on all held coins, broadcast while keeping your assets, pay and transfer with a tap of an app. All right. So another one very similar to BlockFi. All right. And I just found out about this one yesterday. No minimum balance required. Rewards pay out weekly. Withdraw at any time. No fees. Borrow without letting go. All right. So once again, all right, if you got Bitcoin, you got this and that, because you gotta realize this, y'all. All right. Like I told y'all about that Yearn Finance coin. That it first dropped about $1,000. 3 months later, it's like $30,000-$40,000. You know what I'm saying? So at that point, imagine having put a $1,000 in. All right, 3-4 months later, the coin is worth $30,000-$40,000. Now you can actually leverage that and go and get some. You could sell it and get some money as well, but you don't have to lose it. You can leverage it and use that money. Go do something with it to make more money, and then after you return it, pay it back. Now, what I'm saying, you just doubling up on more money. It's just it just man, it just blows my mind this day and age that we're heading into right now. So excuse me for rambling, and I just get so excited about this stuff. It's crazy. All right, but this is another platform here where you can earn with crypto, and you can actually depending on how much cryptocurrency you have, you can actually leverage and get loans. So I'm just showing y'all right now. Look, this is the amount. All right, this is the amount of loans that has been processed, and currently this is the number of users right here. Okay, this is crazy. And if you go do your research on this dude, man, he's a very successful dude. Being one of the owners or founders, he's been in Forbes, as you can see right here, all types of stuff. All right, but he's the one who's behind the VoIP, the VoIP. The voice over phones, the internet phones. All right, so he the one that's behind that. So he's very, very wealthy and successful, because a lot of us that use digital phones, internet phones, or have anything related to that, all right, that man that made some bread off that. So he know what he doing when it comes to this type of stuff right here. And a very, very interesting. All right. So with that being said, let me pop back on over here real quick. All right, family. So with that being said, let me see here. With that being said, family, those are some places that you can check out. If you're looking to get some no PG business credit, you know what I'm saying, Divi is a place that you can check out. Check out the grain and the Tumo. Definitely when it comes to this cryptocurrency space, don't get left behind. Just get acclimated to it. Do research on it. Just to the point where you're familiar with what's going on, so you're just not left behind with anything that's been going on out here. All right. There are some things out here that I'll probably get into showing y'all as far as being able to acquire crypto, or finding some ways to get it, or make money to actually acquire it. If y'all interested in that, you all let me know and I'll dive deeper into that. Okay. So let's see. MQ said, can we use this to deposit money on forex trading? If you was to, I think you might be referring to the grain at the time I was talking about that. Grain is on the personal side, and whatever you choose to do with that, that money, if you get approved, is on you. So it's no personal. I mean, it's no hard inquiry. So if you got an Apple device and you want to go try it out, just try it out, and that's that. If you choose to do so. But yeah, that could be doing. You could use that to fund a trading account. And I can't tell you what to do, but I would definitely make sure I was comfortable with trading and building up that skill set before putting that money in there, because you can lose it as fast as you can get it if you're not, if you're not really solid, build up that skill set yet. So, definitely make sure y'all do that. All right. So I know it says, it's like 8 of y'all in here. If y'all, a couple of y'all got any questions y'all want to run with me before I get off of here. Regards, we can talk about fintechs, cryptocurrency, business credit, chop it up a little bit, and if not, I'll be coming back tomorrow. And I got a question though for y'all that are all on here. Did y'all get a notification? I'm trying out this new setup, and whatnot. Just seeing how the YouTube algorithm doing. All right. Yeah, I'll test it out. You know what? Tomorrow I'm gonna test it out tomorrow and see the difference in it. But yeah, family. Just wanted to continue sharing information with y'all as far as what's going on in this space. Letting you know that you can get funding out here in some untraditional ways, and typically you want to use that money to make money. I can't never tell nobody what to do. I'm just a brother, just like you, sharing information, and hopefully it helps somebody. All right, you know what I mean. So with that being said, share, like, subscribe. If you good with the content, you know what I'm saying. If you like the content, if not, I get it. But the business credit course is $49.97. I'm gonna be putting some more information in there soon in regards to the business credit and stuff like that. Aaron Bonner say he get a notification. Okay, all right. Yeah, I figure, man, it's usually more people in here. After I being here, but you know what? I had to get me a schedule together. That way people be prepared for it. But make sure that notification bell is hit. You know what I mean? So you know what I'm saying? You can get on up in here. But YouTube do that sometime. All right. I'm trying to figure out if it's the setup that's kind of, I don't know. Anyway, the business credit course is $49.97 for right now. If you want to tap in before the end of the year, after December 31st. I will be going up on that. One-on-one consultations is in the link below as well. And I'm going to be pumping out more content about ways to make money online. And when I come across more things I feel like that's beneficial for y'all to just grain, I'm just here to plant some seeds, to be honest with you all. And y'all can take off with however direction y'all want to take off with it. All right. So, and until next time, you know what I mean? I'll see you soon. You know what I mean? You're too smart to be broke. Peace.
I'm too smart to be broke. I'm too smart to be broke. I'm too smart to be broke. Where's the money? I'm too smart to be broke. I'm too smart to be broke. I'm too smart. smart to be broke. But where's the money? I'm too smart to be broke. I'm too smart to be broke. I'm too smart to be broke. But where's the money? I'm too smart to be broke. I'm too smart to be broke. I'm too smart to be broke. But where's the money? I'm too smart to be broke. I'm too smart to be broke. I'm too smart to be broke.